What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, your boy Stunner Reese, man, is out here. And guys, look at the beautiful skies, man. It is so gorgeous outside, man. But today's video is gonna be about the Hellcat, YELLCAT. Get in the bath, man. So y'all stay tuned for this whole video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and join the Stunt Squizzy, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video. Let's get it, let's go. Yeah.
Live life to the fullest on muscle cars and more. Let's get it, let's go.
Now, Stunt Squizzy, you know I cannot be at home, man, with the most famous car in the world, Dracula, and not show it to you guys, man. Y'all see this thing. Oof. Now, this is the car that I need to really be giving a bath, man. Drac. Yeah, but whew, look at this thing, man. Needs a bath too. But today we're gonna be taking the Hellcat, YELLCAT out. So we're gonna give it a bath, man. But don't forget, I need to be giving the bath to the Putt Prius as well, because that thing, even over here, looks glorious. It actually is dirty, man. Wheels dirty, cars dirty, everything's dirty, but the new tint definitely looks good. But today, is it pink? Is it orange? Is it red? It don't know what it want to be sometimes, and today I don't think it knows what it want to be. So y'all drop in the comments, let me know what color y'all think it looks today. All right, but getting back to the Hellcat, YELLCAT. Ooh, look at this thing. Now, guys, this car is so filthy. Look at this. Yeah. And I am not proud of myself, guys. Look at this. And the front wheels are just absolutely disgusting. Look at that. Look at that guy. It don't even look like the same car, man, sometimes after I drive it for a while without giving a bath, man. So we're about to fix that today. We're about to get it cleaned up, and I'm gonna show y'all just how to bathe a bad cat. Here's what I use, man. If I don't have a car wash specific detergent, I'll use Dawn. This works good for me. I've been using it for years. If I do put any soap on my cars. Now on Dracula, I typically don't put any soap at all on Drac because it is a black car. It's been like that since I've owned it. Since I had it painted, I do not use any detergents on it. Only hot water, steaming hot water is what I use to clean this car. But with this car being yellow, and it's a lot less likely to see the scratches on this car, I just use a solvent like Dawn, and then I'll also use microfiber towels to dry with, so I don't come up with any scratches on it or anything like that. So we're about to get it going. I already made my bucket up with my water. I got my one for the rims, one for the car, and I got my spray cannon right there. So we're about to get this thing going, y'all. So let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to spray down the car with a nice salt. Give it a nice rinse. You can tell this car has a good layer of wax on it because of the way that it beads up. See the way the water is beading? Got a nice layer of wax on it. under wash.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
Now, as you can see, I turned the nozzle on to sudsy so it can really come over. Give it a good sud. Now I'm gonna go give it the final white roll. Now it's time to turn it back completely off in just water. All right, so now the body is completely rinsed off. Now, the good thing about this spray cannon is it has the different settings where you can put it to no soap, or you could turn it all soap, or you could put it different levels of amount of soap. Now, the first time I had it the very minimum amount of soap so that it would just barely get soap. Then, as you can see, I turned it on full soap, and then at the end, I did just complete water. So that's a good thing about this actual suds cannon. Now, I gotta add some more detergent to the canister so that I can actually do the wheels. And then we're gonna start drying this baby off. So, now I'm gonna take my other mitt specific to the wheels and hit the wheels. Alright, Stump Squizzy, so you see, got the wheels nice and clean. Now I gotta hit them with the water, rinse them out, but not only am I gonna rinse the wheels, of course I'm gonna rinse the whole car again because it's been sitting for a second with the dry water spots on it, and I definitely don't want it to dry completely. So that's why I waited before I did the wheels because I know I had to hit them last. So we're about to get this thing rinsed off for the final time, then dried off, and then we're gonna see the end outcome. All right, stunt squad, so now that I got the car completely washed and rinsed down, now it is time to take my chamois and wipe the whole car down and remove all the water off before the sun starts to make watermarks on here, and I definitely don't want that. So I'm gonna always start with the top of the car because that's where the sun is concentrating the most at on the car right now. So let's get this done. All right, stunt squad, we got the Hellcat YELLCAT finished, man, and this thing is looking so much better. Sauce is to the max, man. It is definitely saucy right now, baby. That's how the Hellcat YELLCAT's supposed to look right here. Man, look at this thing, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful, man. Them yellow wheels definitely popping with the yellow paint. I love the combination, guys. A lot of people was telling me don't do that, man, but I love it. That's my signature look with the Hellcat YELLCAT. I don't think I would have it any other way. Don't y'all agree? Yeah, but yeah, man, this thing is definitely looking a whole lot better. Cannot wait to take these sticky Mickeys, man, and put them to work, man. Look at them sticky Mickeys. I ain't got no excuses this year, man. I'm gonna be at y'all. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, this thing is looking way better, y'all. Guys, that's how a Hellcat YELLCAT is supposed to look. That's how you take care of a cat. Yeah, I had it on bogus, but now it is no longer a dust ball. Yep. But just like that, man, this video is over, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it's your first time, man, do yourself a favor. Join the Stunt Squizzy. Join the Stunt Squad. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so y'all don't miss a video. Make sure you also drop a comment, drop a like. That's right, man. It helps the algorithm of the videos. And don't skip no ads, man. Yeah. But yeah, that's it, man. That's gonna wrap it up, man. What y'all think about the job? Drop in the comments. All right. But it's your boy checking out, man. Till the next video, I'm out. Me and the Hellcat YELLCAT. Gone.
Hey, subscribe, share. What does it? Like for you nigga? Yeah, subscribe, square, like. Square? Shit.
Alright, subscribe, square.
Yeah, subscribe, share,
and
like.
square.
It's square. And share.
Alright, thanks.
Subscribe to my man.